Hi, this is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am just here to do a quick video on what artifacts, Scrum artifacts really means. So I see a lot of people getting confused between Scrum metrics, Scrum artifacts and Scrum tools. So I am just here to make a clarification focusing on what Scrum artifacts really are. So if this is your first time here, you are very welcome. Please, just so that you stay in sync on what we do here on this platform regarding learning more about Agile and putting some clarifications on some mixed up concepts, please go ahead and click that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will stay in sync of our frequently updated content. Also, go ahead and like, share with your friends if you do appreciate my content. Thank you very much. Now let's get started. What are the Scrum artifacts? Scrum artifacts simply represent two things: the work and value. That's it. Scrum artifacts are not metrics. Scrum artifacts are not tools. So please get that straight. Scrum artifacts simply represent work or value. So what are the things in Scrum that captures this information? We have three of them. Number one, the product backlog. Number two, the sprints backlog. And number three, the increment. Those are the Scrum artifacts. And the way the Scrum artifacts are designed, they are supposed to capture all the work that will deliver value to the customers. So, according to the latest version of the Scrum Guide, that is the 2020 version, each artifact contains a commitment to which enough information should be provided that will enhance transparency and focus against which progress can be measured. Yes, so that is what artifacts are. Like I mentioned before, there are only three artifacts. So the Scrum team's commitment is centered around these three artifacts. That is, the Scrum team is committed to the product backlog and its accountability is the product goal. The Scrum team is committed to the sprint backlog and its accountability is the sprint goal. And lastly, the Scrum team is also committed to the increment and the accountability for the increment is the definition of done. So, in summary, Scrum has three artifacts: the product backlog with the product goal as the commitment, the sprint backlog with the sprint goal as its commitment, and lastly, the increment with the definition of done as its commitment. That's it. So why does these commitments even exist? You know, Scrum has its values and Scrum is built on the principle of empiricism. So this commitment exists to reinforce the Scrum values and empiricism for the Scrum team and the stakeholders. That's it. That's the only reason why we have these commitments. I'm talking about the product goal, the sprint backlog, and the definition of done. The only reason why it exists is to reinforce these empiricism and the Scrum values for the Scrum team and its stakeholders, you know, so that they'll have something to hold on to, you know, to hold each other accountable, making sure that they are delivering value to their customers. So at the end of the day, it's all about delivering value to the customers. That's the only reason why these accountabilities even exist. So that's it. I hope this has helped you clarify what Scrum artifacts are so that you don't get it confused with Scrum metrics or Scrum tools. So in our next video, I will be giving a clarification on what the Scrum metrics really are, you know, so that you will really have a clarification between what metrics are, the Scrum artifacts are, and the Scrum tools, because I have realized that a lot of people get it mixed up, you know, and I noticed that because of the kind of questions they keep asking me. So that's why I decided to come online today and clarify. So if this is your first time here, please go ahead and click that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will stay on top of our weekly upload. Also, go ahead and like and share with your friends if you do appreciate this content. Thank you so much. Your subscription simply means that you support my vision, you support our message, and you support our platform. So we really appreciate when you just find the time, to click that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will stay in touch and we all can continue to learn and grow together as this one big happy Agile family. Our intention is to expand the Agile space so that we all can live and enjoy this amazing Agile way of life. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to talk to you next time. Bye.